Don't download Fitbit Charge app before watching this. Before you download the Fitbit Charge app, here's the truth most people overlook. It's not just a step counter. It combines heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and activity analytics, but without proper setup, it may provide more confusion than insight. Step 1. Define your fitness goals. Are you aiming for steps, cardio improvement, sleep optimization, or overall wellness? Most people get this wrong by syncing without clear goals, leading to irrelevant notifications. Step 2. Calibrate sensors correctly. Accurate heart rate and step tracking depend on proper wear and device settings. The surprising truth is, loose or improperly placed bands give misleading data. Step 3. Track multiple metrics. Combine steps, heart rate, sleep quality, and workouts for a holistic view. Users who focus only on steps often miss critical health signals. Step 4. Set realistic targets. Adjust daily goals gradually rather than aiming for unrealistic numbers. Ignoring this leads to frustration and abandonment. Step 5. Review trends, not single data points. Analyze weekly and monthly summaries to understand patterns. Teams that obsess over daily fluctuations often misinterpret results. The upside? With proper use, Fitbit Charge can improve activity awareness, optimize workouts, and even detect irregular heart patterns early. Many users report better sleep habits and incremental fitness improvements when engaging fully with all app features. So should you download it? Yes, but only if you define goals, wear the device correctly, track multiple metrics, set realistic targets, and review trends. For casual step counting, basic apps or free trackers may suffice. Subscribe for strategies to get the most from wearable fitness tech.